Hello, business owner or aspiring online marketer. Do you know that social media is the best way to reach customers in today's scenario? Have you realized the tremendous growth potential that Twitter marketing can give to your business? I am sure your answer is yes. Do you know Twitter has more than 284 million monthly active users? To beat your competition, you need to use the benefits of Twitter marketing. Yes, each and every business is using Twitter to easily connect to its audience. It helps to enhance your growth potential by connecting easily with your customers and finding out their honest opinion about the products. The only problem is how to get complete and authentic information for Twitter marketing in one place to gain success. Don't get scared and don't feel lonely. Numerous business owners and online marketers want to take advantage of Twitter marketing, but fail because they don't have instructions that guide them in a simple manner. To succeed in your business, listen carefully to every word spoken here. Twitter marketing enables you to utilize the following benefits. Facilitates instant communication with your customers. Helps you to get unbiased feedback about your products. Keeps you updated about the latest industry trends. Increases the awareness level of customers. Reaches the customers in a cost-effective manner. Increases the sales potential of your business. Shares new ideas and information with less effort. Along with that, you can cater to a widely scattered customer base and also enhance your business earnings with less effort. After reading this, you'll realize the huge potential that is in store for your business with the proper and effective use of Twitter. But stop. Do you know everything in order to succeed with the best use of Twitter marketing? Let me surprise you with these amazing, eye-opening facts. About 63% of brands worldwide have multiple Twitter accounts. The average time spent on Twitter monthly is 170 minutes. 34% of marketers use Twitter to successfully generate leads. Tweets with images receive 18% more clicks, 89% more favorites, and 150% more retweets. About 92% of international brands tweet more than once daily, 36% of which are link-containing tweets. The click-through rate, CTR, of Twitter ads is 8 to 24 times higher compared to Facebook. These crazy facts should have left you completely surprised. But somewhere, a little doubt is in your mind on how to get the most out of Twitter marketing. So, to eliminate your problems and relieve you, here I present the ultimate problem solver. Introducing the high-definition and step-by-step Twitter Marketing Made Easy video series that will erase all doubts from your mind. It's tailor-made to supply you with all the required information to succeed. So, to increase the benefits for your business, we have put every piece of information in this over-the-shoulder, very easy to understand and high-definition video series. It will help you to scale up your Twitter marketing efforts and become a success story. And, most importantly, you will know how to reach billions of needy people and convert them into your brand loyalists. Now, what are you waiting for? All you need to do is get your hands on this training and supercharge the growth prospects of your business. These high-quality, bit-by-bit videos help to reduce the effort you need to set up winning Twitter marketing campaigns and grow your profits exponentially. With our strategies, the complete process will be quick and easy, and even non-tech savvy people use it with no problem. Currently, we are offering this for a massive discount. But all good things come to an end. It's available just for 7 days only. You won't see this link ever again. So get up now and take action to get your business to the top and become a leader that others wish to become. A word of caution. The price will revert to its original once these 7 days are over. So, click here now and get this high-definition video training. Don't wait or your competitors might take a hold of your market. I wish you a successful business ahead.